Jellybean jungle. Let's sing the ABCs together.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bear, hopping on your bed. C is for cat, soft and so sweet. D is for dog, wagging its feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who jumps all day. G is for giraffe, tall and bright. H is for hippo, splashing with delight. I is for ice cream, yummy to eat. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion with a big roar, oh my. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, home for the bees. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, waddling in sight. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, stripes black and white. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for vase, flowers grow high. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, play a melody. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, the coolest in town. Now we know our ABC